Oh yeah, it's dirty in here, man. Did you ever clean this? Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. Today,
I think we've got another Pure Octane Garage pro tip.
I like these pro tips.
Yeah.
I hope you guys like these pro tips.
And if you do,
yes.
what do? We were both going to say it. Like and subscribe, please.
And comment. Oh, and don't forget the bell.
Yeah. Then you know when the pro tips are up immediately, and you can go try them out.
And yes, comment down in there. What other pro tips would you like to see? Let us know.
Yeah, because
we'll do it.
Ideas are endless, and we'll try them. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it. So what Pure Octane Garage pro tip do we have today?
Today we have making life a little easier when you're detailing. So I think we found this out, and kind of by surprise, a foaming spray cleaner for cleaning your wheel wells.
Yeah, we've got this IK little cleaning sprayer, and it's pressurized. Yep. You just pump it up. It's all portable, and currently we have an all-purpose cleaner in there, some Simple Green.
Yep.
We've been using that for years. It's great.
Works great for us. Any all-purpose cleaner will work in what we're trying to do here. We'll foam up.
Yep, it foams up really well. That was the surprise. I didn't think of that until we started using it this way.
So this is one area we use this on. Would be the wheel wells. You could put different chemicals. I would probably suggest buying different bottles if you can have multiple chemicals in them, so you don't cross-contaminate. But I've even seen these used for wheels with wheel cleaners.
Yes.
You can go all over. I mean, if you don't have a foam cannon,
we'll put a link down to this particular sprayer. We've had really good luck with it. So simple to use.
Yeah.
Pretty straightforward.
So we'll head over to we're going to clean the wheel well of the truck today. So I'll give you guys a nice view of how this works. And then we'll scrub it and show you how it works. It's really simple.
Simple and really good results.
Well, you know what else you can do? Depressurize.
We can.
But we haven't pressurized it
But there's no pressure in there.
I thought there was. That didn't go
It's not under pressure.
Dang it. Let's head over to the truck and
let's get over there before I say something.
Get some foam in there. All right, let's clean the wheel well. So we made it over here to the wheel well and brought over the standard spray bottle so we can kind of see, you can see the difference in the actual appearance of the product. But what we'll do is we'll spray this in there and we'll spray that in there. That way you'll see with the foamer
the benefits of using the foam sprayer, because you can see where the product is going and it clings better.
Yeah, it clings and it applies much quicker, of course, too. Which, hey, this works, but it works so much better and quicker and easier. We're all about work smarter, not harder. All right, we rinse the wheel well. Let's start with the standard spray bottle here. Give it a little spray. So as you can see, we've dispersed the product, right? But
it's in there, but you can't really see where it's going.
And I don't know if you can tell. You might not be able to tell from this video, but maybe from this one. You can see there's not any product right here, actually.
Yeah, it's a little bit challenging to see exactly where you were able to hit.
Now, we'll bring in the foam. Wait till you see it. You can see exactly where you put down the product and where you missed. And look at that. Beautiful foam.
In fact, I can see exactly where the product is and where you missed.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Fix it.
All right, Now again, you probably...
Someone's trigger happy. There's the.
I was just gonna say we probably used, more product than we needed to.
And you can see
but
where
now
you missed and where. Look, I match.
And your arm will now be clean.
Look at that. Wait.
Sorry about that.
It's good. I'm like taking a bath in the driveway. Scrub it up. Oh. More!
I should get it brushed really good.
Maybe I should move.
Yeah. You might want to stand back when I'm detailing.
All right. So
product everywhere.
Next thing, we just rinse it off real nice here. We've got a little rinse. Don't want to clean the whole truck, so... Oh wait, no we're not.
That was a good one.
And as you can see how much easier that foam was. Let's get this nice dry here.
Now again, when we're detailing, we kind of do the wheels and the wheel wells at the same time.
Right. So you wouldn't specifically, wheels, tires, wheel wells, all kind of get done at the same time.
Get all this
first
after a good.
Move on.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh wait, it's your turn. Again, nice foam. Got caught a little wind there. Hope you like that. It's a great little foaming sprayer. Really help your detailing arsenal. So anyways, hope you liked that video. If you did, like button, right? Please.
Yeah.
Subscribe and
ring the bell.
Notification bell helps to know when we put these things out. So we appreciate you guys watching. And until the next video, thanks.
Later.
Bye.
You're just dewy.
Ew, moisture on my face.
Yes. Ooh, got a little loud there. Sorry if you're wearing headphones. Oh yeah.
Foaming sprayer.
It's definitely clean.
Oh yeah, get back in there. Check it again.
Double check it.
Wait, David Bowie?
Under pressure. Oh wait, we're gonna get YouTube doesn't no
No.
copyright.